Come here. Let's go. Maggie, sit. Sit. Stay. Come here, come back here. Sit. Down. Down. Good girl. Stay. 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 Look at me. Hey, look at me. Hey, look at me. Hey, hey, stay. Sit. Okay, okay, you can go. Good girl. Good morning, Aspen and Coda. How'd you guys sleep?
Oh, awesome, thank you.
How did he sleep? On the bed?
Of course he slept on the bed.
Of course. Hi, pretty Coda. Are you ready to go hike the LA trails?
Hell yeah.
I think you're gonna love it and see all the puppies. There's a lot of dogs. Mags, I think we just played fetch for a while. Gotta do that right when you wake up. And I think she just got out here by using the doggy door, which is really good, but she doesn't really know how to get back in the house. So I'm gonna leave you out there until you figure it out. You got it? I love you. It's a powerful bowl of oats right there.
For our good hiker lucky, right?
Alright, rallying up the pups for a day out on the trails minus Buckley, because Buckley would walk 10 feet and then want to go back. Look at Coda, look at your pretty little, your outfit is very cute, mister. Alright, you ready, Max? Maggie, we went twice as far today as last time. You did so good, girl. But she has this one issue where she loves her ball and she'll hold on to it for so long, and then I'll look back and she dropped it somewhere and then we lost it. But I have to teach you, I can't always find it for you. You have to hold on to the ball, baby. And Coda's just a beast. He runs up hills and then he'll just bomb down for fun, which is what his daddy does on the bike, on the mountain bike. All right, we're gonna do a quick farm sesh. We left the pups back in the car with Joe because there's signs not to bring dogs into the farm. I wanna try to be as respectful as I can. And it's another good opportunity for Maggie to practice her non-attachment towards me. Welcome to a winter Los Angeles, Southern California farmers market. I know. So Aspen is from Wyoming, and you spent the last year in Alaska.
Yeah, the last 2 years.
Last 2 years, so this is absurd.
Yeah, this makes no sense to me at all. Even the produce during the summer is like nothing compared.
And none of this is like from Mexico. This is all local produce. Yeah, the avos. Another week, I'm back at Mr. Hawes Farm. Getting the best pears of my life. Anjou pears, right?
Okay, yeah. Before leaving, you let me know.
Okay, I will. Don't worry.
I give you enough food.
Nice. You'll give me a bunch of pears when I go towards Mexico. Thank you. We forgot to bring bags, so instead of getting a ton of bags, we just throw it in the trunk and hope for the best. All right, gotta get these dogs home. Oh fuck! Good girl.
Yeah. We need like a good like.
It actually kind of puts me in the zone.
Yeah,
I have to perform for the viewers. Okay, now the spin. The switch, the 180.
Commit. To the viewers.
Almost got it.
It's like we're making the move too dramatic.
What do you mean?
The 180.
Yeah.
Be subtler.
Right.
It won't put you off.
Well, always the more subtler, yeah. The more like relaxed you are, the better you're gonna be. All right, we're gonna go play our final game of the day of tire out the pups. Mags, I have to put your leash on, come on. You can't go off leash in this neighborhood. The people get angry. You're too crazy. All right, take a sit. Good, I like that. That's a good girl. All right, I'm leaving my homies once again to hold down the fort. We're going out to the Laker game for Drew's birthday. Maggie, I thank you guys. I love you. Hey, have a good time. I'll be back. I love you, baby. It's gonna be okay. All right, make sure she pees every once in a while. Maggie, bye-bye. Hey, bye, girl. Hey. Woo, we're in downtown LA for the Laker game. Hey, Dad, who are the Lakers playing?
Atlanta Hawks.
Ooh, I like Hawks. Maybe I'll root for the Hawks. My older brother, Drew's birthday. He's 28 today, and it's gonna be a great fun night. And this is my second time leaving Maggie. Last night was the first, and I think she got really comfortable with Joe and Aspen today, which I'm excited about because I don't want her to be stressed. But we'll see how tonight goes, because last night she supposedly sat in my chair in my room and on my bed and just stared out the window and wouldn't leave and hang out with anyone because she was waiting for me to come home. I'm already waiting to go home to see her. Oh my gosh. Stimulation and energy consumption overload. They told me that Maggie did so much better than last night, right?
Yeah, she was so relaxed.
It's such great news. And I just like put out my arm and in 2 seconds, this guy just rested his head on my arm. Now Maggie's like, he's back, time to play. I gotta go eat dinner, Mags. Immigrated here when he was young. Oh, I just had the lights off and this poor baby was so sleepy. I'm sorry. We're going to bed. You know, our day was so full. I love you so much. We love. Look at this sweetheart. And she just cuddles right up and presses against me while we sleep. And then in the morning, she comes up and puts her head on my pillow and we spoon. I'm not even kidding. Today was really fun, but I'll be real. I had like a little argument, disagreement session with my parents that wasn't fun, and I don't need to share it with the vlog, but I guess it affected my mood a bit, and maybe that's why today wasn't that informative of a vlog, but hopefully it was fun. I still had a good day, and it's okay. If you're crazy like me and are super opinionated and really strict with how you want to like live on this world and be present, just live differently than a lot of people, others are going to be uncomfortable when you make those choices, and that's okay. And you have to take advice from people you respect, and I love and respect my parents so much, but I also have to honor this quote, and tell me what you think of it. Don't take all the advice from people who you wouldn't want to swap lives with. Just gonna leave it at that. I love my parents, I respect them, I'm so grateful for all that they've given me, but we both move through life with different intentions and different things that bring us value and meaning. Let's just put it that way. Be yourself, and at the end of the day, you just gotta listen to what your heart really says if you're tuned into how you want to live your life. Don't let the haters bring you down. Much love. Dream extreme.